Imagine if writing spreadsheet formulas were as simple as asking a question. This is what the R&D team at Grist wanted to find out. Formulas are a beloved aspect of spreadsheets, but daunting and unapproachable for many users. Grist is unique compared to other spreadsheet offerings. The relational structure and support of Python-based formulas positions it to work particularly well with AI. AI offers the potential to improve accuracy and efficiency while training users on Python syntax so they can learn how to write their own formulas. Look at this example. The owner of a doggy daycare with multiple locations wants a tail count for each location. Using AI formula generation, they type out their want in plain English, and the AI produces the formula and the end results in no time. Grist wants everyone to benefit from a spreadsheet's full capabilities, not just those who code. This experiment is not a current feature, but self-hosting users can try it out. Head to our blog to read more about the experiment, get the link to try it out, and vote on whether we should make this a feature in 2023. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to learn more about future experiments by Grist Labs.